Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the area of trapezium. Trapezium, a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides, is known as a trapezium. The distance between the parallel sides is the height of the trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Properties of trapezium. Like other quadrilaterals, the sum of all the four angles of the trapezium is equal to 360 degree. A trapezium has two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. The diagonals of regular trapezium bisect each other. The length of the mid segment is equal to half the sum of the parallel bases in a trapezium. Two pairs of adjacent angles of a trapezium formed between the parallel sides and one of the non-parallel side add up to 180 degrees. Area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium can be calculated by using the formula half into h into a plus b square units, where h is the distance between the two parallel sides and a and b are the parallel sides. Exercise 2.3. Find the missing values. A table is given. Some values are missing. You are asked to find the missing values. In the first problem, height is 10 meter. Parallel side A is equal to 12 meter. Parallel side B is equal to 20 meter. You are asked to find the area of the trapezium. We know that the area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. In the place of h, a and b, you substitute the given values. Simplify and get the answer. The answer is 160 meter square. Next, in this problem, the parallel sides are given and area of the trapezium are given. You are asked to find the height of the trapezium. Given the parallel sides A is equal to 13 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter. Area of the trapezium is equal to 492 square centimeter. Area of the trapezium is nothing but 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units, that is equal to 492. In the place of a and b, put 13 and 28. That will be equal to 1 by 2 into h into 13 plus 28, 41. That is equal to 492. Now simplify and get the answer. The height of the trapezium is 24 centimeter. In this problem, height h is equal to 19 meter. One of the parallel side B is equal to 16 meter. Area of the trapezium is equal to 323 square meter. You are asked to find one of the parallel side A. We know that half into h into a plus b square units is equal to 323 square meter. 1 by 2 into 19. The value of h is 19 into a plus the value of b is 16 is equal to 323. That is 19 by 2 into a plus 16 is equal to 323. A plus 16 is equal to 323 into 2 by 19. If the fraction goes to other side, just take the reciprocal and multiply. Now simplify and get the value of A. The value of A is nothing but 18 meter. Next, height h is equal to 16 centimeter. Parallel sides A is equal to 15 centimeter. We want to find the parallel side B. Area of the trapezium is equal to 360 square centimeter. We know that half into h into a plus b is equal to 360. So like the previous problem, substitute the values and get the answer for b. The parallel side b is equal to 30 centimeter. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. The parallel sides are given, that is A is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 20 centimeter. The distance between A and B is nothing but height h is equal to 15 centimeter. We want to find the area of a trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. This is equal to, in the place of h, substitute the value. Similarly, for a and b, put the values of a and b. Half into 15 into 24 plus 20 centimeter square. Simplify, get the answer. The answer is 330 centimeter square. The area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Just see what is given. One parallel side is given and let it be A. Let the value of A be 84 centimeter. We don't know the other parallel side. We are going to find it. Let it be some B. The distance between A and B is nothing but the height. That is equal to 26 centimeter. And it is also given that area of the trapezium is equal to 1586 square centimeter. Area of the trapezium is nothing but half into h into a plus b square units. That is equal to 1586 square centimeter. So, substitute the value for h, substitute the value for a and find the value for b. The value for b is 38 centimeter. The area of a trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. If the lengths of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. Same model, length of the parallel sides given, area is given. You want to find the distance. Distance is nothing but the height. So, area of the trapezium is half into h into a plus b square units. That is equal to 1080 square centimeter. Substitute the values and get the answer. The distance between the parallel sides is equal to 24 centimeter. The area of a trapezium is 180 square centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. One of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. Find the length of the parallel sides. What we have to do is, we want to find the length of the parallel sides, but one clue is given. What is the clue given is, one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. So what we do is, let one of the parallel side be a centimeter. The other will be a plus 6 centimeter. And height is given. Height is equal to 9 centimeter. Area of the trapezium is equal to 180 square centimeter. Area of the trapezium is nothing but half into h into a plus b square units is equal to 180 square centimeter. So, 1 by 2 into h into, in the place of h, put 9. The value of h is 9 into a plus b. In the place of b, put a plus 6 because one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. So, 1 by 2 into 9 into a plus 6 is equal to 180. Now, just simplify, get the value for a. A is nothing but one of the parallel side. A is equal to 17 centimeter. The other side is nothing but plus A plus 6. B is nothing but A plus 6. So A is equal to 17 centimeter and B is equal to 23 centimeter. The sunshade of a window is in the form of isosceles trapezium, whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter, and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. Here the parallel sides are given. A is equal to 81 centimeter and B is equal to 64 centimeter. The distance between A and B, it is nothing but the height is given, that is equal to 6 centimeter. We want to paint it. So let us find the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into A plus B square units. Just substitute the value, get the answer as 435 centimeter square. We know that the cost of painting 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 2. But we want to paint 435 centimeter square. Therefore, the cost of painting 435 centimeter square will be equal to 435 into 2. That is equal to rupees 870. A window is in the form of trapezium, whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively, and the distance between the parallel sides is 60 centimeter. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. Here, like the previous sum, we want to find the area and then we have to find the cost. But here the cost of glass is given for 100 centimeter square, that you have to remember. The parallel sides A is equal to 105 centimeter, B is equal to 50 centimeter, H is equal to 60 centimeter. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B square units. In the place of H, substitute 60 and in the place of A 105 and in the place of B 50. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 60 into 105 plus 50 centimeter square. Simplify and get the answer. The answer is 4650 centimeter square. Cost of glass for 100 centimeter square is rupees 15. But we have to find the cost for 4650 centimeter square. Therefore, the cost of glass for 4650 centimeter square will be equal to 4650 divided by 100 into rupees 15. The answer is rupees 697.50. That is rupees 697 and 50 paise.